beauties, it's me Edie and I am back. Hopefully you just watched the unboxing of the Glam Bag and now you come over to see the Boxycharm box, which is 5 full-size items. Subscribers get to choose 3 of the products. The box is worth up to $200 and you pay $30 a month. This box is so worth the $30. Let's open it up and see what we have this month. We have our inside of our box. Move this. Take that out. And there's our products. Ooh, I see some things I like already. Here is our little information. It's telling us to try these 3 Halloween looks. Let's see what the other ones are. Maybe it's these. Which, you know, I could probably do the green, aqua, anything, and the glam undead. So I'm gonna pull out the first thing that I absolutely love. It's Ultra Repair Cream, intense hydrating for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin. Here you go. Y'all know I always get so happy with the First Aid Beauty. It comes sealed. Y'all know I'm going to be using it. So I'm opening it. There's the cream. I've actually used this before. Oh, look what they've done. They've started putting not for resale on the bottles, which I don't resell my items anyway. I usually give them away if I don't use them. You can use this once to twice daily as needed. It's dermatologist tested, no artificial fragrances. And it's best for dry skin. So that is good for me. It's perfect for me. I love that. Used it before. The next thing we have is from Frank Body. I'm not sure that this is a brand that I know, but this is a body lotion. It's supposed to buff away dry, dead skin while you go about your day, giving you soft skin instantly and over time. Use me in conjunction with SPF. Okay. Let's do the smell test. I think it's that smell again. That natural dirt smell. You know what I mean? But it's so light and faint that you can barely smell it. So this is doable. Frank Body. Next thing we have is Delish Lip Scrub. I know I should send this to one of my friends whose lips are constantly dry and needing to be with a scrub. It doesn't have a smell, so that means it probably tastes horrible on your lips. So keep your tongue in your mouth. Here you go. This is what it looks like. You know what a scrub is. This is by Delish. With that name, it should have like amazing smell, right? This is from Delish and it's a lip scrub. Then we have Eloise. Can't say that word. It's so bad. It's Goddess is the palette. Oh my Lanta, this is beautiful. Look at those shades. Oh, that middle one right here is a navy. Oh, and that blue, oh my God. I want to use this palette immediately. Look coming your way. So that is the palette. Indulge in the divine allure of our goddess pigment palette, where every shade embodies beauty, timeless elegance. 9 high pigment shades to mesmerize and captivate. I can't wait to use that. And the last thing is blush tape, liquid blush from Tarte. I have been seeing people use these, so this is going to be a new thing for me. It's in the shade Peach. Oh, I'm not a peach girl. I could try it though. There it is. Let's see. Let's give it a little squeeze. Do you have to push down? Am I? Oh. Oh no. That come fast. They come really fast. Let me try it again, people. Let me try it again. Okay. How do you know? Okay. I might can wear it. It's kind of like shimmery. Anyway, that's what this is about, is getting things new to try that you've never, thought about trying before. So that's the Boxycharm box for the month of October. So thank you to Boxycharm, Ipsy. Thank you so much for these boxes. I am gifted these each month. You can help me by going and signing up through the link that will be in the description. I'll put it in my bio on Instagram. You can use that and it will help me. You'll get a set price from now until the end of the year. So today is the time to sign up. Go check the link in the description or the bio in Instagram. Y'all know I love you so much. I appreciate you for watching. I'm thankful for each and every one of you that make my day and life better. I love you all. Remember, you're beautiful. And like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to get notified for me posting. Love you bunches.